Hey everyone, it's Leslie with Leslie's Cookies and Treats, and let's make some more stocking cookies. Today I'm making Snowman character cookies. So grab your stocking cookies and make these with me. Outline and flood the bottom half of your stocking with some white royal icing. I'm using a 15-second consistency. And use your scribe or your toothpick to shape the icing, get it into the corners, pop any air bubbles, and basically smooth it down. Then grab your black icing and outline the top of the hat, being careful not to touch the white icing with the black icing. And flood that area in. Let the cookie dry for about 30 minutes and then go back and flood in that little section that we haven't covered yet with the black icing. And now let's move down to the bottom part of the stocking and let's make the snowman scarf. So outline an area of the bottom in kind of a smile type of shape, and then flood that area in. We're going to immediately grab our white icing and make stripes in the blue icing to create a wet on wet effect. And then grab your orange icing and make a big ball and then drag it out to a point for the nose, and then take your black icing and make some dots for the smile. Once the orange nose has set up for about 5 to 10 minutes, you can take a knife or some kind of tool and dip it in cornstarch and make little dents in the nose so that it really looks like a carrot. And then set it aside to dry for about 10 minutes, and then you can go back and add one of the tails to the scarf. Outline and flood that section with blue, and then again immediately take your white icing and put in some stripes going the other direction this time. Let's let that dry while we go back and give the snowman some eyes, and then let's put some holly on the hat. So I'm using a stiffer consistency green icing and a size 1 tip, and I'm just making some little holly branches. They're not really holly, I guess they're just pine needle branches. And then I'll go ahead and put a red holly berry in the middle of all of that. And now that the scarf has dried, let's go back and add in the last little tail to our scarf. Outline a rectangle area and fill it in with the blue icing, and then immediately go back in with your white and add some stripes. And this fun snowman stocking is done. There are so many different ways you can make stockings. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see videos on some other stockings. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and be sure to subscribe for more cookie tutorials every week. Thanks for watching.